Hello everyone, welcome back to our economics class. Today's topic is also from unit number 6, that is industrial sector. Today's topic is about measures to solve the problem of small scale industries. In the last classes we have discussed what is the importance of small scale industry, then what are the problems which small scale industries are facing, and today we are going to provide solutions to that problem. Let us see the first point, credit facility. Whenever you see the word credit means providing loans. You need to get one word in mind, that is loan. Whenever you see the word credit, what should come into your mind? Loans. Credit facility is the first point. Government is providing credit facilities to SSI and cottage industry at low rate of interest. What are the cottage industries? These are the very small industries. They don't require heavy machines. They don't require a big industry to work. They don't require much investment and capital. With small amount of capital also, with small amount of money, you can start your business. Cottage industries are smaller than small scale industries also. So what the government is doing here, it is providing the credit facility. Government is providing loans to cottage industries and small scale industry at low rate of interest, because first of all they are poor, their standard of living is not that much, they don't have that much of financial condition to pay more interest. So by keeping the welfare of these SSI and cottage industry, the government is keeping very low rate of interest. Imagine that if the government is not there, what is the last option to get the loan, to get the credit facility for SSI and cottage industry? That is money lenders. Money lenders will be charging high rate of interest, double triple rate of interest they will be charging. So if they take loan, they won't be able to repay it, so their debt burden will increase. They'll take loan and cannot be able to repay, they'll take loan, cannot be able to repay, and in this way their debt will be increasing. So in order to avoid that kind of problem, the government is providing a solution, is helping the small scale industry by providing the credit facilities, by providing the loans in order to start their industry, in order to buy the raw materials, in order to buy the machines. The government is providing credit facilities. The government is providing loans to the small scale and cottage industry. At which rate of interest? At a very low rate of interest, so that they can earn few profits from that. Coming to the second point, industrial estates. It is not just states, it is estates. Estate means you can say zone. So this also the government have only set up. Alright, in a particular region, the government will be setting and focusing on industrial development by introducing good infrastructure for the entrepreneurs. Who are the entrepreneurs? Who start their own business. For example, if I start my own business, then I will be called as an entrepreneur. Alright, so what are the industrial estates? They are the particular regions where the government will be setting infrastructural facilities in order to develop the industries. So that particular area is called as industrial estates. You will be finding only industries over there. You can say that as industrial areas, industrial part, industrial zones, or industrial estates. So the government had set up number of industrial estates in cities as well as towns. Alright, here the government is setting in industries and towns. This is a very good point, because the government is not doing any disparity between cities and town. Okay, cities are like Hyderabad is a city and if you say town, they are like the village areas. So government is setting industrial estates in both the cities and the towns in order to develop the small scale industry. Alright, so no need to worry about the small scale industry. They are getting jobs, they are able to start up their own business, they are able to make some production and earn some little bit of profits for them. So first point is credit facility. Second point is industrial estates. Coming to the third point, testing laboratory. Testing laboratory. Government had set up testing laboratory to maintain prescribed standard of product for the cottage industries. That means we want to improve the standard of our product. That means we want to make good quality of products. So what the government have done, it have started testing laboratories in order to check the product. Example, from this side you are manufacturing goods, then this side there will be testing laboratories which will be testing your quality of the product. Okay, you will be having A quality, B quality and C quality. So you should maintain good quality of product, good standard of product, then what will happen? Your demand for the product will increase in the market. Everyone will be liking to buy your commodity because it is of good quality. So because of that, the cottage industries can develop over here. What the government have done? It have set up testing laboratories in order to maintain prescribed standard of product, good quality, not a cheap quality. In order to make the best quality of product, the government have started testing laboratories in order to develop the which industries? Cottage industries. First point we have discussed, government is providing loans at low rate of interest. Second point we have discussed, government is setting industrial estates for the industries to develop. Third point we have read, the government have set up testing laboratories in order to maintain good standard of product. Coming to the fourth point, handicrafts. What are handicrafts? They are the workers or the laborers who will do the work with hands, not by machines. So this is completely labor intensive. Alright, the best advantage of handicrafts according to me is unemployment will decrease with the help of handicrafts. Now you may be having a confusion that the persons who make the product by hand, that are handicrafts, how can they reduce the unemployment? So the question is right, but what is the right solution for this is, the people will be making the product with hands, they can also make it in family. No need to have a particular industry for that. At home also they can manufacture. Even all the family members, including ladies, women, old persons, even children, everyone can be engaged in work in their leisure time. So this is helping all the family members to work in a family, and this can increase their standard of living, as well as everyone is working. That means everyone is doing the job. So no one is left unemployed. This is the benefit of handicrafts. So handicraft development centers have been set up to promote handicrafts, so that we can increase the employment rates. Everyone will have a job, they can increase their standard of living and they can have more savings. Coming to the fifth point, training. Government have set up various institutions like vocational institutes, commercial institutes, polytechnic institutes. Vocational means we are doing courses like CEC, MEC, MPC and BPC. Apart from these four courses, whatever the other courses are there, they come under vocational. Then commercial, which is related with completely money business. Alright, that is like BCom, Bachelor in Commerce, accountancy, financial accounts, that will come under commercial. Polytechnic, it is related with maths, physics and chemistry, that is going to some engineering field. So what the government is doing, it has set up various institutions of vocational, commercial and polytechnic institutes. Why the government have set up this institute? What is the need? In order to provide qualified technical workers in both cottage and small scale industry. Previously we read that the persons in small scale industry and cottage industry may not be educated, they won't be having good qualification, so they won't be getting good quality of job. So in order to get more profits, in order to have good technical skills, the government have set up this institution where they will be given training, where they will be given perfect education that how to handle the industries. So qualified technical workers have been provided by the government to the cottage and small scale industry. In the whole answer, we have discussed that government is focusing on the development of small scale industry and cottage industry. So all these 5 points are the measures to solve the problem of SSI. First measure is credit facility. Second is industrial estates. Third is testing laboratories. Fourth is handicrafts. And fifth is training. So this topic is completely cleared. We have discussed IPR 1991, importance of SSI, then problems of SSI, and this is the fourth topic of the 6th chapter, industrial sector, that is measures of SSI. So this topic have come to an end. At last but not the least, I would like to inform you that you need to note down each and every point whatever is there on the board in your notebooks without fail, with date and time on every page, as it is going to be inspected whenever the college is going to reopen. So see you in the next class with a new topic. Till that, stay home, stay healthy and maintain the notes and keep practicing.